Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, July 29th, 2018. On the 28th, there was a magnitude 6.7 earthquake near Sumbawa, Indonesia, at a depth of 19 kilometers. Also on the 28th, there was a magnitude 6.3 earthquake in the Flores Sea, at a depth of 585 kilometers. Seismic anomalies and pieces of the Earth's mantle are rising at both ends of the Cascadia Fault. Researchers have found anomalies in the upper mantle, below both ends of the subduction zone. These anomalies may influence the location, frequency, and strength of earthquake events along the U.S. Pacific Northwest. They also point to pieces of the Earth's upper mantle that are rising and buoyant because of melting rock and possibly elevated temperatures. The north and south segments of the subduction zone have increased locking and tremor densities. If they are stuck together tightly as they are now, they are building up stress, which could cause a large earthquake. On the 28th, heavy rains caused major flooding in Arminas and Vrazov, Romania. And on the 27th, there was severe flooding in Craiova, Romania. Also on the 27th, there was a torrential hailstorm in Paris, France. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.